Alright, y'all, I'm back. We got another train coming. Rarity, too. UP movement on the Janesville subdivision, Janesville, Wisconsin. Got 3 units on this one. Short train, but got up here, saw a grain train sitting, and these guys were leaving, so I decided to come catch them real quick. This is gonna be cool. Got away from the engineer, he saw me. Short, simple, and sweet, but man, is that a cool one. Kids are getting excited, got both the boys out to see this one. Kinda hoping that grain train leaves soon, that'd be a cool catch. Man, it's windy. That's cool watching around that curve there. Alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.